Okay, so chapter 3 of MYP4 Unit 1 is expanding brackets. So when you have two brackets together like that, you're multiplying them. So x plus 4 in brackets times x plus 5 in brackets. And so that means x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 5. And multiplying this out involves multiplying everything in the first bracket by everything in the second bracket. So I've paired these off with these kind of arrows to indicate what I'm doing. I've got to do x from the first bracket times x from the second bracket, x from the first bracket times 5 from the second bracket, and then the 4 from the first bracket times x from the second bracket, and then 4 from the first bracket times 5 from the second bracket. So the x times x gives us x squared, 4 times x gives us 4x, x times 5 gives us 5x, and 4 times 5 gives us 20. And then you've got two terms that are of the same type, both x terms there. So the 4x and the 5x you can clump together to make a single term 9x. So the whole thing simplifies to x squared plus 9x plus 20. So as an exercise in class, we did a few of those, multiplied them out. You have to be careful with the minuses when they come in and how they cancel out. And then you have to be a little bit careful with these ones that are a bracket squared. So for example, x plus 8 squared. Now the common mistake is to just say that that's the same as x squared plus 8 squared, so to just square each term individually. But you've got to remember that x plus 8 squared means that whole bracket times that whole bracket again. So the first thing to do with that would be to write that that is equal to x plus 8 times x plus 8. So have a go at those. I went through the answers in class. They're not on this video, but by all means, ask me if you're unsure. In fact, I'll run down the answers. The first one, you should have got x squared plus 14x plus 48. The second one, you should have got x squared plus 7x plus 12. The third one, you should have got x squared plus 3x minus 10. The fourth one, you should have got x squared minus 49. Now that's quite an interesting one because you get a 7x and a minus 7x and they cancel each other out. The next one, you should have got x squared plus 16x plus 64. And then the last one, you should have got x squared minus 16x plus 64. So do ask me if you're unsure how to arrive at any of those.